Good afternoon. I'm headed to Autocross now, and I'm sitting here looking at the traffic shown here on the way. It looks like it's kind of messed up there. Doesn't look terrible, however. Heading up to Fletcher today at the Autocross track across from the Asheville airport. Richard's down, and I've got to check all the cars in his place as tech, so that'll be my job today. I've got to get there early, and so let's get on the road. Yeah, this isn't looking very good. This black line is growing. I think I'm going to have to go around. I'll go up through Harmon Field and up through 176. I can't be sitting in something like that. It's just getting longer and longer now. Black means, of course, stopped. All right, I got to make a decision, so I am not getting on the interstate. It is black, and it's been that way a while. Oh man, I'm watching these semis up here going the same way I'm going. Oh crap, that means they're going to be going up the two-lane up the grade, so this is going to be fun. But okay, it's an adventure. Heading down 108 here. Looks like those two trucks are going straight. That's good, because we're going to turn here at Harmon Field. We're heading back up the grade here, up two-lane on 176 here, up to Saluda. We're not going to go to Saluda, but we're going to get back out on the interstate just before Saluda. Yeah, it's a really nice drive. Perfect for the autocross car with autocross tires. So much for Google sending everybody over here. They're going 8 miles an hour and stopping and can't quite figure out how to drive, I think. All right, walking the course. I always walk the course. It doesn't change, but sometimes they modify it slightly on accident, so you never know. Finish line.
Workers will wear high-vis vests when on the course. You must be attentive at all times, okay? If this is your first event, the goal is to watch the cars and the cones, not your phone or not talking to people on course. Let's be very safe around.
Yeah, this is the first run group.
A little bit. Nothing crazy though. I hit full boost about 35 minutes.
This is the modified guy that beat me last time. I was 2, he was 1. Firefly. right, James?
Yes, sir. I'm going to 44 PSI.
What is it?
I'm going to go up to 44 PSI.
Yeah, that didn't hurt anything. That's okay. It's kind of warm anyway, so it's good.
Yeah, it might cool off.
Yeah. So that was James in a Performance Model 3, and this is Robbie's car. It's a Model S. All kinds of stuff here tonight. This is a Lexus, and it's a Japanese Lexus. How about that? I think it's a state car from Japan. Miata and a S2000. This should be all in our run group. All right, we are ready to go tonight. We've got another Performance Model 3 and a Model S. Robbie's driving it and James is driving the Performance Model 3. Richard's laid up, he's not here, and so that just leaves me. 3 Teslas, most we've had here ever. I'm here with James and his Performance Model 3, and we're following up Robbie here in front of us, so it should be a fun one. Everybody's been giving Robbie a bunch of grief, so he put a V8 in the Tesla here. All right, Robbie, you're doing well. And we have James here in the Performance Model 3. Doing well, buddy. You're behind me by 650 milliseconds.
Not bad, you taught me.
Shoot, no, are you kidding? I think you're sandbagging, though. That's what I think. Just a little, yeah. That's right. Don't break it, but have fun. All right.
All right, go show the other imposters how it's done.
I'm gonna try. Holy crap. If I didn't hit that cone, it would have been 35.8 or something. All right, bud, thanks. Yeah, it's got ever so slight regen at this speed.
Garrett finishes with it.
Breaking up.
Yeah. I have a chance of beating him tonight.
There goes Craig and his 80.
You guys are getting painfully close to the timing equipment, and had a couple of people knock this cone.
Oh yeah, are we good?
So you're good, but
Okay.
I'm trying to push back a little bit.
I don't blame you. That's all we need to do is hit the damn timer. Then we're all out.
Looks like we had a couple of cones down. Looks like
yeah.
you're good, so go for it.
Are you good?
You're good.
All right, here goes. Did I get that cone? Oh, I missed it. 37.68.
It's strange that they'd have you in an understeery sort of divey turn before the gate. I thought they'd put the gate before that. So
Yeah,
no brakes.
that was too fast. Oh well.
Right on it. Man, again, that's just the performance of these tires. Every time we go into like that first little hairpin,
Yeah.
I'm like, is it even gonna stop? And it just melts your face off.
I know, it's just wild. Well, there you go, 1.7 G's, one side. It was pushing it, 36 something. You're doing pretty good.
I tried it 60-40 that time, just a little bit more to the rear.
Yeah.
And it was a lot more lift off, oversteering and stuff. So it was a lot more lively, not exactly for the best reasons.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Well, you did really well. I'm going to have to really go now. You're catching.
All right, you're good.
Okay. This is going to be interesting, I think.
Scott finishes 45.
Good? All right. Well, I'm here with John. John's in his 405 horsepower Corvette, and we're on our fourth or fifth run. I think it's the fifth run or fourth run. We're doing okay. It's rained and it's water everywhere, but we're doing okay.
Our little Miata is heading up the hill, driven by Sawyer, comes through the lights with a time of 41.340. 41.340, holding on first.
Okay, brakes on. There we go. Is this in your way, being down? Okay.
Put it up, but it's really not in the way.
Yeah.
I won't put that back.
Uphill, yep, uphill. To the right, and then around. And around. That's it. You got it. Good one. Damn. Hey, good deal. 40. Dude, 39.7. Good work. That was good. We had a good autocross. I did pretty well with these tires. We had a guy named James in a Performance Model 3 came out. He drove on stock tires, the Pilot Cup Sport tires, and he did a very good job. I was happy with that. In fact, I beat him only by a quarter of a second, so it worked out well. Robbie, who has the Tesla Model S, did well. He got, I think, as high as 39 seconds and beat his novice class, so that worked out pretty well. All in all, it was good. We got some rain in the second half, so it wasn't very good there, but overall it was a good evening and a good day in general. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the Referral